Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Glad you're here. I am Teresa Sullivan. I'm a bead weaving artist who has 3 decades plus of experience in exhibiting, working in this medium, teaching this medium, and I have something a little different to offer you. I call it the Art and Alchemy program. I've been teaching people bead weaving for many, many years since the 1990s. And with people who just do beadwork as a hobby, they tell me they're they take classes to get the techniques, and most of the classes that are offered in the bead weaving medium are projects, that cute bracelet and so on. I love cute bracelets. I make cute bracelets. There are enough people teaching cute bracelets out there that I don't really feel the need to teach cute bracelets myself. However, I do also find that people are looking for interesting challenges. They're looking to expand the scope of their beadwork, the scope of their bead weaving practice, and they encounter different challenges that sometimes they're having trouble finding solutions for. Um, that I address in this on an Art and Alchemy program. It's all online, it's done via Zoom, and it's one-on-one, just you and me and the beads. Well, not just you and me and the beads, also topics such as why are we doing this medium? How is this medium looked at within the context of the art world as a whole? Even how do we deal with the I'll stop short of calling it online bullying, but there are kind of schools of thought as to what's okay to make in beads and what's not. And as somebody who has endured and laughed off many decades worth of, oh my God, what is that? Reactions from fellow beaders to my beadwork, I'm with you. I can talk to you about strategies to deal with that. There's also a number of topics involving uh, just, why do we do this medium? Uh, is it okay if I don't care about the art world? Of course it is. Is it okay if I don't try to sell my artwork? Of course it is. This program is for your development in whatever way you want to develop. And it goes beyond teaching projects and even teaching techniques, with the caveat that if you're here to kind of look at this as a master class and become a master at it, uh, to master the technique, yeah, we'll just do techniques, gobs of techniques, and honing and refining and so on, so that you basically have the skill library to turn any idea into a wonderful beading project. Again, whether you plan to exhibit the work, be recognized for the work, put it out into the public, or just keep it for yourself, your friends, and your family. Either way, there are a number of uh, things we will check out, and that will be it, mostly determined by you. So again, this is one-on-one. The sessions go for an hour at a time. My schedule is purposely flexible so I can accommodate your schedule for the most part. And what I'll do is I will share with you the web page that has a little more information about it and a contact form. This is my website, teresasullivanstudio.com. This Art and Alchemy program is what you want to click on. Has a little blurb about it. I will probably link this video onto the blurb, and you can directly schedule a meeting with me. where we can talk about what your goals are and what you want out of this program. And you can even schedule your first Art and Alchemy program meeting with me. You can also hit the contact button, and that gives you a form so that I have your email address and you get my email reply email from me. So this will be available starting now, and I hope this finds people who are interested in propelling forward their adventures with beads. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.